Hello YouTube, more adventures in powder coating. I tried a silicone baking mat. I got these large mats, I cut one down to size, uh, used my regular Eastwood, some of the bullets that I've been coating lately with no problems, used the same oven, same temperature. There's a thermometer in there that I know is good, and for some reason these things are just ruined. See, this one I stood up, and when I knocked it off, there was you can see little pieces of lead stuck to here. I don't know what the deal is. I usually use a hardware cloth, same temperature, same time, same oven, and they do just fine. These are all rough feeling. I'm not sure if you can get a good look at that. There you go. See how they're kind of rough? They just got too hot, and I'm not really sure why. As far as the thermometer says, it never got above about 380 in the oven. So for me, the silicone baking mat is definitely a fail. This is what they all look like where they were laying on the mat itself. It just peeled the coating away with it and looks pretty terrible. So I think I'll give it another try and use a lower temperature, see how it does. But for now, it looks like my hardware cloth is the way to go. I just thought I would give this a try since some people really swear by it. Not for me though. I will talk to you guys later.